Okay, so you can see here our bushing is completely out on our tire. On this side it was the same way. There was no spacer on the back side, so nothing holding that bushing in. You can see all this space. So this piece here is supposed to be inside of the tire, so that would free up this entire back space here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull it off. I don't really have anything, so we're using these gears. Just drilling out the center and putting it in there to hold that in, greasing it back up, throwing it in, and still got a little bit of wiggle there, but not quite like that, and we're not going to be hitting on the machine. Alright, so we cleaned this up with some emery cloth, basically a fancy word for sandpaper, and our bushing that was back here needs to go in our tire. We had some trouble with the other side once we put this in the tire. What it did is, you can see this end here is loped a little bit. It pushed in, making it tighter, and it wouldn't want to go back on. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill the inside just a hair. You can see we have our spacer drilled out. It'll slide on, and that'll keep those bushings squeezed in to the tire so that they don't pop out like this one. Okay, so we got everything cleaned up, greased, and put back on. We can see this has a little bit of play in it. We want that because the tire needs to move in and out a little bit so that it spins freely. And shout out, we got Houston up here doing the maintenance. He's already got our brand new blades put on, deck cleaned out. Looks like he's working on a spark plug. We're gonna do the oil, new fuel filter, cleaned out the air filter. Got to fix our seat here as well. Don't want that, but yeah. Okay, so the reason that the seat was spinning around is because you have 3 mounting brackets here, these little plastic pieces, and these 2 were pushed down into the plastic, as you can see here. So what you have to do is you have to fish these puppies out, get them in the right placement before you thread in your 3/8 bolt, and you just pull them up through like this. Almost. So what we do is we pull it out, and how it works is your plate that the seat mounts onto slides in between these 2 little edges here, and that's what allows it to slide back and forth, and your 3/8 wing nut goes in the back and holes drilled in the plate to position your seat where you want it to go into there, and then it slides through these on each side.